Diffusion. Diffusion is a very important phenomenon in the activities of plant body. What actually diffusion means? Say here is water. Water consists of water molecules. These molecules, they are held together by a force called cohesion force. And these molecules, if it is pure water, the water molecules slowly evaporate and water is converted to gas, that is water vapor, and these water vapor molecules spread away from its higher concentration to its lower concentration. This spreading of molecules is called diffusion. This diffusion consumes energy. Where from that energy comes? Say for example, in this water, when it is a liquid, it has temperature, that is heat energy. This heat energy is consumed when the water molecules spread away, that is diffusion. In this process what happens? The heat energy is utilized and the temperature goes down. A gas, for example, here is a gas, say carbon dioxide or any other gas. It is highly concentrated here, and this carbon dioxide diffuses into the air. So here gas is diffusing into gas, but here liquid is diffusing into gas. Similarly, a solid, for example, camphor or naphthalene, it is a solid. These solid molecules also diffuse out. These camphor or naphthalene molecules from solid, they diffuse out as gas. So this diffusion in all these types consumes heat energy. And when the molecules are diffusing, the fundamental phenomenon or principle is the temperature is reduced from the point where the molecules are diffusing. In plants, diffusion plays a very important role. Water diffuses from the soil into the root. Mineral salts from the soil diffuse into the root. The water and mineral salts from the root system diffuse into the stem, the leaves, etc. From the leaves, the water again evaporates and diffuses out into the atmosphere in the form of water vapor. The water and mineral salts enter into a cell through the cell wall or plasma membrane. Again, it is a process of diffusion. So diffusion should be understood in these terms. Always a substance from its higher concentration gradually migrates to they lower concentration till the two concentrations become equal. That is the meaning of diffusion. All transportations inside the plant takes place by this process of diffusion only.